Hello guys, welcome back and thank you for watching. In today's video I will be making some Dollar Tree home decor DIYs while using my Cricut maker. This video is sponsored by Cricut, so thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. Alright friends, so I'm going to start with my first DIY, and I'm using one of these Dollar Tree chargers. These are so pretty. Dollar Tree carries so many different ones you can use instead if you can't find this wood one. Well, it's not wood, but it looks like wood. Faux wood, there you go. So I'm going to start by painting the center using some white chalk paint. I then let this dry for a couple of minutes, and then I use a ruler to measure how big the circle was, and it's about 7 inches. So now that I have my measurements, I'm going to go into Cricut Design Space to design my own image. Cricut Space has so many different designs that you can easily adjust to your own personal style. I will be showing you how easy it is to use. I wanted my sign to say thankful and blessed, so I started by searching the word thankful. As you can see, there's so many different designs you can choose from. I like this one, so I clicked on it and inserted. I then searched for the word bless. I found this one that had the similar font. It might be the same, I'm not sure though, but it looks like it, right? Once I had both of the designs, I then sized them so they can fit. To finish it off, I added some leaves and I added the and symbol. Now I will have the link to this image down in the description box in case you want to use it. It is very nice, and the best part is that you can transition this to fall. I will be using the black permanent glossy vinyl. The last thing I did was just put make, and I made my design. Now don't forget, you do have to set it to the vinyl you're using. And here I have it. Now I'm going to peel it off from the mat, and I did cut, like you see the bottom, I didn't use the bottom, so I am going to cut it because I can use this for something else. Now I'm going to just weave it out using my tools, and then I'm going to transfer it to my sign. The last thing I will be doing is transferring this to my sign. Now once I am done using the tape, I am going to put it back on the plastic. I do reuse my tape 2 to 3 times, sometimes even 4. That's how good this Cricut tape is. And that is it for this thankful and blessed sign. Honestly guys, this has been one of my favorite DIYs I've done this year. It looks so high-end and looks so beautiful. It's already displayed on my dining table. My next DIY is very easy and simple to do. From Dollar Tree, I will be using these buckets. I just love these because 2 come in a pack for $1. The next thing I will be doing is painting the top part using some black chalk paint. I only painted it to the first line, but as you can see, I went over the line, so that made it look very messy. So to cover that up, I will be using some of this beautiful burlap trim to glue it all around it. And that is it guys, that is it for these buckets. I think they turn out beautiful, and the best part is that you can use these all year round by switching the greenery. For my next DIY, I will be using one of these Dollar Tree little houses. I'm going to remove the back. And when I removed the back, a lot of the paper stayed on that little house frame, so I did have to remove it. Also, the back piece, the paper started peeling off, so I tried to peel everything off. Once I had that, I then painted the frame using 3 different colors. I started with the Waverly chalk paint in the color Elephant. I then added a little bit of black ink and some mineral. I was trying to make the color of the charger. I then painted the back piece using some white chalk paint. I then went back to my Cricut design space. I remember I had seen this little beautiful house that it's almost the exact same little house that I'm making, but it said Home Sweet Home and it had the little house border. So I did search for it. I think it was easier for me to put Home Sweet Home, but I just put home. But I still found it in that category. So I then insert it and size it to the sides of my little house. I then printed it out and weaved it, and now I'm going to transfer it to my little back house, to the little back piece. As you can see, I'm using the same transfer tape for this one from the first DIY because it's still good. The last thing I did was just glue this back piece back to the house frame. And that is it for this Home Sweet Home little tabletop decor. I think it turned out beautiful and it looks so good right next to the rest of the DIYs I made. For my next DIY, I will be using another Dollar Tree decor sign. I'm going to paint all the sides using the little mixture I made for my little house. Once it was dry, I removed the metal label and then I painted the little square using some white chalk paint. I went back to my Cricut design space and found this beautiful farm life image. All I had to do is size it to the white square. I then transfer it using the same piece of the same transfer tape I've been using in my other DIYs. Now the last thing I did was put the metal back on. And that is it. Look how beautiful this farm life tabletop decor turned out. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, bye.